Today we will be replacing a bottom bracket on a cannondale Cat 4. The bike has been misused, not looked after, and generally hanging up for several times. Just show you the bike here.
Well, this is the bike in question. It's owned by Ross Rider, Owen Jeffries. As we can see here, the bottom bracket is completely seized. This has been many excuse for his speed over the time and during the race. Here we have a wide range of tools that will be used. If these can't do the job, then there's one last resort.
So I've spent the guts of 2 hours swinging on this bottom bracket and I cannot get it. So there's only one thing left, the enticer.